Good morning, everybody, and welcome to. And good morning, everybody. Welcome to Option Pit, your home for options, education, and trading. That is pretty much all we do. We do it through educational classes, seminars. We have a daily chat room that's open that Mark and I are in and out of all day long. Pro chat room. And a variety of consulting services to funds. All right, and with that, here yesterday, actually this time spread's already up from yesterday that I wrote the blog on. So it's moving solidly, I would have to say. Market looking today though, again, last thing too, just one little bit, a boot camp here. For all of you that want to learn a little bit more, again, using options to generate income, understanding the wheel, increasing your profitability, directional trades, understanding what delta neutral spreading really is, how it makes money, and understanding how to reduce risk. Okay, it's about 9 hours boot camp. Okay. Record the sessions, you get to keep the materials. This giving you an idea of what we do here at Option Pit. All right, and with that, what do we got? Well, we have a sell-off. What passes for a sell-off these days? Apple's down a little bit, right? Google's down a little bit. Goldman, which has been a leader, down a little bit. Also down a lot of it is the Chinese equity market. Here the FXI is down around a little about 4%, big move, huge move actually. They're basically trying to just clip this market flying. So they're raising margin requirements, doing all kinds of stuff to sort of slow the pace of growth down. What is not slowing down at all here is Broadcom, after being up, what, $9 yesterday? It's taken we're trying to find the deal price here, but stocks like Nvidia up. It had a dollar run up yesterday. What else did we see moving around? Maybe Qualcomm. Okay. If we look at some 5-day charts, all these stocks had a little run up yesterday. So in the chat today, we'll look at some trades that, in case these pull back. I mean, obviously not all these semis are going to get taken over. Also, we could even look at the semiconductor index as well, see if there's any movement in there. There's the on again, off again thing with Greece yesterday. I think we had a rally as far as a Greek deal happening. And, the reality is they're still on again, off again with the deal. Really strange. Okay. So the reality is we get a little pullback today, and I think again we need something, right? The Greek deal obviously happening. We can see what's happening. With over there, it looks like that's good for about a 1% rally. If they close the deal, we could see possibly another 1% rally. That would take us SPX to to 2137 all-time highs. So there's still a catalyst for that deal-wise. Volatility, again, it's not, while there's so much uncertainty, it's just not going to make those new lows tomorrow, again, unless a deal gets signed. So trades, I still like the financials with the way the Fed keeps talking about rates. They've sort of lost strength lately. We'll look at those. We'll look at trade for Apple today going into the investor conference. And Possibly again looking at some index trades, but I don't think all these chip stocks are going to hold up. How many are going to get taken over? So that's the kind of stuff I'm looking at for today. As far as vol and vol products go, we are seeing, again, what I'll just say is sort of normal, healthy premium in the products, right? Like the July, we're at 2.25. The June now, we're starting to roll into, it's the 17th. By the end of this week, we're going to have 2.5 weeks after tomorrow. $1.50, again, would seem a little, would be a little more normal. So basically what we have is every lift in VIX right now is being absorbed by the futures. We're not really getting a future lift, right? Can't get that future over 15. So that's a big deal. If you can actually see a bid for the futures, then whatever sell-off we're going to have actually has some legs as of right now. Just don't see it. Okay. So until I can see things move, I'm saying future traders don't think any vol pop is sustainable. And the thing is, you think about it, like as far as interest rates go, which have been the big concern, the Fed seems to have, they've cleared the path. Like we're going to be raising 25 basis points and going to some sort of normal regime in 2016. Okay, market sees that. Euro, your ECB, they're on their path with the bond buying program. They'll probably buy their bonds and be done, right, and declare victory. So at least so the big things that shake the market up, the last thing is just trying to get it. We'll have this on again, off again thing with Greece, which means volatility is going to have a hard time finding a trend. It'll be a little up, it'll be a little down. And for the most part, but the market's not doing anything in the meantime because there's no reason for stocks to just take off above their all-time highs, except for whatever latent bullishness we have around for rates being so low. And that's what we got. All right, so I'll see everybody in the chat today. And I look forward to hearing from you all later.